Foods that naturally improve your mood. 1. Dark chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? It boosts serotonin levels and makes you feel happy instantly. Just stick to a small piece of the dark kind for the best results. 2. Bananas. Packed with vitamin B6 and natural sugars, bananas give you a quick energy boost and improve your mood. Plus, they're portable and delicious. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are full of omega-3s, which help reduce stress and keep your brain happy. Snack smart. 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries are bursting with antioxidants that fight stress and give you a natural mood lift. Add them to yogurt or eat them plain. 5. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in folate, which supports brain health and combats feelings of low energy or sadness. Your salad just got a lot more exciting.
Thanks
Try
for
these
tuning in.
mood-boosting foods
If you
today and
found
let
this
your
helpful,
smile shine
be
brighter.
sure to like and subscribe for more health tips.